Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable God mode in Windows 10. God mode is very handy. It's like a one-stop shop where you can find all the settings and customization for Windows 10. It is handy for those who want control of everything in Windows 10. To enable God mode, you have to right click anywhere on your desktop and new folder. Basically, you just created a new folder. Now, copy this code, which I will provide in the description of this video. Copy it and now rename this folder and paste it with Control and V. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, the folder is changed to an icon which is similar to this control panel icon. But the difference is here in this God mode, you can find all the settings. Like it is here at the top, we have administrative tools, then autoplay, then backup and restore, then BitLocker, color management, credential manager, time and date, and you name it, and you will find it here in this God mode. So this is the best way to control your Windows. I hope you like my video. If you do, please share it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.